Hey and welcome back, this time to a Vietnamese meal that's perfect for a chilly night and packed with tender, fall-apart braised chunks of beef, loaded with herbs, aromatics and a delicious broth. This stew will have you coming back with more Vietnamese baguette. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy in the section below so you can copy. Let's start with the meat. Use a braising type of steak here, which I've cubed to about 1.5 inch size. We want it chunky. Add in the marinade ingredients, the minced garlic, ginger, fish sauce, the 5-spice or bo seasoning, and the sugar, and give it a good mix. I'll pop this in the fridge for a couple of hours. So now we can get on with the stew. Discard any hard leaves from the lemongrass and finely slice the white part. Smash the remaining one after removing the hard parts and chop into manageable lengths, which we'll now fry in the oil to flavour it. And after 45 seconds or so, add the finely sliced lemongrass and the garlic too. After a minute or so, add in the shallot or onion and continue frying for another minute. Before adding the marinated beef and its marinade. Give the meat a good fry to colour on all sides. Now pop in the tomato paste, followed by the water, the coconut water and the remaining spices, including the second batch of bo or 5-spice seasoning, whatever you're using. Now cover and let it gently bubble away for 70 minutes or so. We can then pop in the root vegetables, recover and simmer for a further 25 minutes. Oh, and don't forget the 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Check the root veggies are fork soft. You can cook further if needed, and when they're done, fish out any hard spices and any lemongrass stalks that you can find, and it's ready to serve. With herbs such as holy or Thai basil, coriander leaves, limes, sliced onion, and a banh mi or a baguette, or noodles if you prefer. It's the perfect warming stew for a chilly day. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I've got lots more on the channel, including around 30 stews and casseroles, so why not check them out? And maybe subscribe to see what's coming up next. So until next time, bye!